In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust leverage in Binance Futures trading with hedge mode trading. Now, leverage can be a powerful tool if you're looking to amplify your trades, but it's crucial to understand exactly how to manage it. So let's dive right in. First, you want to start by opening your Binance app and heading to the futures section. This is where the exciting world of futures trading begins, and it is here that you can manage your trades effectively. Once you're in the futures section, you need to select a trading pair. For instance, if you're interested in Bitcoin against the US dollar, you'd pick BTC, USDT. Choosing your trading pair is essential as it determines the asset you'll be leveraging and potentially making profits on. Now, after selecting your trading pair, you'll notice a leverage indicator next to it, which might read something like 20x. Tapping on this is your gateway to adjusting how much leverage you want to use. Remember, leverage allows you to trade much larger amounts than your actual investment, so handle this feature with care. After tapping the leverage, you'll see a slider. This is where you can either drag to adjust the leverage or simply input your preferred leverage level directly. It's a flexible and easy way to customize how much you want to amplify your trade by. Just remember, the higher the leverage, the higher the risk. So choose a level that aligns with your risk tolerance and trading strategy. When you're satisfied with the leverage settings, tap Confirm. This will lock in your chosen leverage for the trading pair you've selected. It's a straightforward process, but crucial for managing how you engage with futures trading on this platform. Now let's talk about hedge mode. This feature is quite unique, allowing you to hold both long and short positions simultaneously on the same trading pair. It's particularly useful if you want to hedge your bets and manage your risks even more effectively. To enable hedge mode, stay within the futures section and tap the three-dot menu located at the top right corner of the screen. This will open up more options for you. From there, select Preference and then Position Settings. You'll see an option to toggle on the hedge mode. When you switch this on, it enables you to open both long and short positions for the same trading pair. This flexibility can be a game changer in how you strategically manage your trades. In summary, adjusting leverage in Binance Futures and enabling hedge mode can offer a lot of flexibility and control over your trading strategy. Remember to always trade responsibly, keeping an eye on your risk levels as leverage and hedge positions can magnify both profits and losses. Thanks for tuning in, and happy trading.